So welcome to the channel. It's your boy, Professor Jason X. This is the second channel where I document and talk about anything and everything. And that's the channel's tagline, actually. Kasi the main channel has shifted to purely wrestling content over the years. So lahat ng hindi related doon, I removed it from the main channel to avoid confusing the audience. Now, this one's the personal vlog channel. So welcome here once again. So help your boy out, subscribe, like, comment. Please help me monetize this channel too. Now, this vlog is really special to me because in this video, I am documenting and celebrating my first big ticket purchase from my YouTube earnings. Pardon the humble bragging, but if you know me, I've been in this YouTube game since 2017, and I got monetized in 2021. So for the past 4 years, again, we've been through ups and downs, and this is really special for me. So pagbigyan nyo na ako. Saan pupunta? Bibili kang kotse. May pera ka ba? Wala. Now, we chose Hyundai Stargazer because of the looks, and to be honest, wife is also a Korean novella hardcore fan, so no-brainer na talaga. And I've been scouting for 7-seaters for the past year or so. Now, my past cars are both Mitsubishi. First one ko was a second-hand 1989 Galant, and then gusto ko lang muna noon is makapag-practice muna, get that driving skills in experience. Before I buy a brand new car. Kaya yun yung kinuha ko. And then nung confident na ako slightly, kumuha na ako ng Mitsubishi Mirage. That was in 2017. Now, going back in the decision of upgrading, I guess most families go through this stage wherein lumalaki yung mga bata, hindi na kasya sa sedan, so you have to get a bigger car. And nung time na nasabi ko na the YouTube business looks kind of stable at the point, well, I don't say that with 100% certainty because a lot can happen in a year or so, but especially with AI and other things. But considering those, I went into the decision of making sure that I would be able to pay off my mortgage for the next 5 years from YouTube alone. So that was the decision factor. No. Now, if you want to get a Hyundai car, let me hook you up with our agent, former student ko yan na magaling, si Joy De La Rosa Doctor. I left her Facebook page and contact information in my description. So check nyo na lang, wala akong masasabi dyan. Super bait, super galing. Check her out. You might want to purchase a Hyundai car. So we arrived at Hyundai Commonwealth almost around 10 a.m. And the experience was perfect almost. From the showroom to the staff, the cars, it will really inspire you or malalason ka talagang mag-upgrade kasi super gaganda ng mga cars. Very futuristic ang presentation ng Hyundai ngayon. And the owner of the dealership, if I'm not mistaken, was Madam San Yuan. If you are watching this, thank you so much. You gave my son a toy. So nakakatuwa, mahilig daw siya sa mga bata. Plus nakita ko pa old students ko like Joy and VJ. So shoutouts to them again. Now, when I said almost perfect, lahat naman ng services may points of improvement. So for us, yung signatures lang medyo nagtagalan kami doon. But I understand that banking protocols and procedures. So mga kukuha ng cars dyan, if you are going through bank financing, make sure na makapag-practice na talaga kayo ng signature consistencies ninyo before you go here. Now, before the office closed at 5 p.m., nailabas na rin namin si Storm. So we're calling the car Storm. We both decided to call the car that since Jesse loves Star Wars before. And then meron yan siyang Stormtrooper figure na favorite niya. Yun yung unang nag-register sa amin nung nakita namin yung harapan ng car. It looks like a Stormtrooper. So for short, Storm. And of course, for X-Men reference, ako si Professor X, diba? So siya si Storm gets. Now, what made this experience more special was the location. Malapit lang kasi siya, as in walking distance to where we used to live. We were still, when we were still dating. Bale siya nagti-teach siya sa Seed Montessori in the morning while ako naman pumapasok ako sa BPO paggabi during that time. So we were kind of reminiscing our past, no? Passing familiar locations in Samonte. So yun, that's basically it. Again, very short vlog. I guess in closing, what I would say is if you have a dream and you know in yourself na kaya mo makuha yun, you believe in your heart you can really do it. Don't let others talk you down on that dream or tell you you can't. Grind relentlessly and let the results do the talking. So once again, I thank God for this achievement, YouTube, WWE, and most importantly, mga taong sumuporta sa akin since day one. Di ko na kayo may isa-isa in this video, but I know all of you. So stay real. Thank you once again. So that's about it. Hope you enjoyed this short video. Again, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Catch you on the next one. Peace.